Beautiful pangong, which always forms the goalpost for the Baris Cina. Seems to be some different opinions about if it's happening tonight or tomorrow night. No, you never really know. The night after the 10th full moon, arrived early at the Pura Sari for the fabulous Baris Cina from Rannon, which hasn't arrived yet. This has become the fashion lately, the junior priests, starting as young as 8 years old. It's the latest trend at the temple, the Dalmatian. So I found the Baris Cina coming back from Pura dalam Pangambak, that distinctive gong Bari. So Pura dalam Pangambak, the end of Jalan Pangambak where I live, it's been an important temple for the Brahmins, particularly the priests, a favourite of theirs for many years. It was actually washed away in a tsunami about 50 or 100 years ago, and it's been rebuilt with the help of the Waka group, Andana. It's now a very popular temple with all the Sanurites. It's the sister temple of Merta, Sari. It's now having its three-night festival. It used to be just a few hours. Pura Shiwawa. Nak lingsir sa kinapida. Tamat Sari ring? Di Sanur. So it's a small temple, but the high priest, the Padandas, have to come here. It's very special. They're from a new griya in front of Kopi Bali called Tambat Sari. Not as graceful as the other Padanda histories on the island. So I just remembered the story. It was actually my old pal, Police Colonel Wayan Surpo, head of the IHD, with Padanda Made Sidaman, who loved this temple, and they restored it. And ever since then, well, it always was a favourite. I've written the history somewhere, I'll have to dig it up. But ever since then, the Sulingi have come to pray as normal citizens with the gang. So it's the Padanda Shiva's, one of the Padanda Shiva's favourites. Okay, I'm back at the Pura Sari now, and the Baris Cina are in the corner here, getting dressed. Good timing. A Marlon Brando character. Getting out the beards. Oh. There are the two regiments, the white and the black, to pray first. Commandant's over there with his hair on. Priest and the priestess from Tambat Sari have found their spot on the Piasan. Very interesting interview with Idabagus Oko, the son of the Padanda from yesterday's, the Nabe Padanda from Griya Selatan Pasar, and they are the actual Pangemong, not the Anak Agung of Gladbrook, and I got that wrong. A correction. It's the Griya who looks after this, the Brahmin house that looks after this temple. So the Baris are backstage. They got the cowboy hats. Where's the white hat? Where's the pith helmet? Oh, there's that wondrous gong Bari starting up. Special offerings before the start of the event. That's the blood of the chicken for the tummy rock. Offering to the ground spirits, placating the ground spirits before this vaguely demonic ritual. What a wondrous crowd. American tourist, despite reporting it on 4 websites all day, offering the prize of a book. Someone's in France. The white guys, the white commandant. gets very tense now. Someone go, two people in trance, one next to me. It gets very hairy now. It's dangerous now, actually. The red man's going out, I lost my slippers. Out they go, out with the sabers. Right, got rid of the sabers, there go the hats. The Chinese language coming out now. This is the great bit when they all come back off the stage in trance. So, praying in trance and then the amazing frenzy of Chris dancers. Out in the way in a minute. Priest is appealing to the Pati and the Sadik to be careful with their trance dance, with the Chris dancers, because there's lots of people here and ladies here. So let's start with the Chris dancers. Unusual lineup. We haven't done this lineup before. Everyone speaking Chinese. Bari in the corner, the conch shell.
Sari, giring membuat sekian kampun, kampun,
Gini itu. Nanas gini.
Chinese, of course. Ancient dialect. Particularly speaking of what things here. Likes the fire, this one. Got him. Inan bagus sedurung ya. Ya siduri inan bagus.
Sari ya sampun jangan bangul.
So that's it. It's like filing out of the Sydney Cricket Club as if nothing happened. Marlon Brando was brilliant despite the lack of a stance. We're going to pray one last time before they go home for Renon. Awak tu. Jangan sekan ya kan? Did you only take slum Johnny? There's the basic group over here. Get bagus up in the shrine. All the priests gathered around, head Brahmins. All the brave boys and girls. Beautiful show. That's it for another year. Wait for the next 10th full moon. So as if that's not enough excitement, the kiddies' wayang's about to start. Under 6-year-old wayang. Wayang Chili can born hatches kids are there.